Working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
What's up, everyone? This is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how I achieve this look, this straight, sleek, with a little body look, going from my natural curls to this. So stick around, stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. And let me know in the comments below once you finish this video if you decide to try it and how yours turns out. So first thing, wash and condition your hair. This is my hair with just leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use this Frizz Ease to put on my hair before I blow dry to make sure that, you know, my straight style stays frizz free. So I'm just putting it all over my hair, trying to, like, with my finger it through my hands, just to kind of work it through all over. Then I'm going to use this Can2 heat protectant because this video is all about achieving that sleek, straight look without heat damage or causing heat damage on your hair. So this product is really good to avoid heat damage. Take it from me. A straight look, you want to make sure you thoroughly blow dry your hair, get those roots really good, make sure there's no moisture in your hair before you move on to the next step. Okay, so I'm almost done blow drying. I'm on my last section, but you can start to see the transformation. Yeah. Okay, and once you get every section, I just run the blow dryer through my hair one more time, and then I just comb it or brush it rather with the wig brush. So next step is going to be to just go ahead and flat iron your hair. So section your hair off. I'm not doing super little sections to flat iron because I know that I want a little body in my hair. I don't want it to be like super bone straight. So medium, medium. Okay, so right here, I just finished flat iron. I just kind of like flipped through the video because it was getting long and drawn out. But yeah, so fully flat iron my hair. And then what I'm going to do is just go through. I'm going to do my edges and then I'm going to bump my ends. So I'm using this edge tamer to lay my edges a little bit because you want your look to be a little fleeky, sleeky. So your edges should be looking intact and tamed. So I'm just using this with the edge brush, putting a little bit of edge tamer, not a whole lot. I used this in one of my previous videos and I said I would let you guys know how I like it. And so over time, the next day, I did have some crust on my edges. So I just realized, maybe I should just use a little less. Maybe I used too much the first time to avoid any like flakiness. And then I'm just going to put a scarf around my edges so that it can lay while I bump my ends. Y'all, if you want me to do any videos on like hair growth tips or things like that, healthy hair tips, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely create some content or let you guys know how I maintain my hair to continue my hair growth journey. So now to bump my ends, I'm not taking small sections at all. We already straightened our hair with the blow dry and flat iron. So now I'm just taking the flat iron to bump the ends and I am, curling them for one side. I'm bumping them all the same way and the other side I'll do the same thing. So just running the flat iron through, and obviously to bump your hair with the flat iron, you just put the flat iron on there and just kind of like twist twist your wrist, and that's how you get that bumped curl look. And you don't want to close the flat iron too tight, because I feel like when you close the flat iron too tight, you get that little line in your hair that doesn't go away. So just lightly close the flat iron, twist your wrist, bump the ends, and that's how you'll get this little bump. This style a little bit more. And then to maintain this style, all you have to do is just pin curl the ends of your hair like overnight or whatever and put on a bonnet. So just roll the ends, put a bobby pin on it, and then just kind of like let it sit like that overnight so that your bump is still there the next day. I'm going to take my scarf off so these edges can, add to the look. You don't need your scarf on for too long, just to lay your edges down for a few minutes. Nothing too much or too fancy, just to kind of like slick it down a little bit. And this is the final look, you guys. Let me know if you like this look. Hopefully you stuck through for the video, the full video. Let me know if you like this type of hair content. I know some of you may miss my home DIY projects, but I have some things that I'm working on, so you'll see more content like that soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.